What's up, bro dogs and brodettes? It's Zach here at J-Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take off this infotainment system in a Volkswagen Tiguan. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is we're going to want to take these two caps off. It's really easy. I just have this little mini screwdriver to pick them off. They just pop right out. Set them up here. Just like that. You got two bolts right here, and they're T20s, and we're just gonna loosen these up. Bolts are all messed up. All right, so we got the two bolts out, and now we're just gonna pull this out. It's really easy, and just note that behind the hazard button is a little connector that you have to disconnect. It's just a little pin that you pull back, and then boom, like that. And that all comes out. And then now we just have these 4 bolts that we take out, and then this just slides right out. All right, now that we got all these bolts out, you just grab this and it just slides right out. Like so. And then if you're replacing this, you just want to disconnect everything, undo all of these connectors and reconnect them in the right place. So you always want to take a picture of where everything's laid out first before you just go disconnecting everything. And then to put it back together, it's just the same process. Slide it in. Make sure you line up all the holes, and yeah, and I'll show you when I got all these bolts put back in. I'll show you just putting it back together and hooking this up. All right, so now that I got the bolts back in, so now I'm just gonna connect this harness back up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Slide it up until it snaps. It's fully in, and then just pretty much just push it all back in. Make sure you get everything all lined up, and it snaps all in there. And then we're gonna put these 2 screws back in, and then put the covers back on. Right now the screws are missing. I'm gonna get new screws, but just for now, you know, just slide these back up in here. That's upside down. And then this one, and then just like that, it's all put back together. It's nice and flat everywhere. So there you go, that's how you do that.